Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs, and today I'm here with my winnings from Gracie, aka Elegant Delights, on Facebook and on YouTube, and you can also join her group. I will link everything down below this video, and let's get on. This was a challenge she had in her group, so I will get on with everything. Here is the card. I already read it offline. I opened everything, so sorry. Here's the tag. Here's the little embellishment book that she made. I think it's really cute. She has a little teddy bear with some die cuts, some pearls, looks like some feathers here and here, with some tiny little roses here. She's got a dangle here, and here's a dangle. This is cute. I like this. So let's get into the book. She also ties it with some ribbon and a key with a little pink ribbon and some little, looks like some little clamshells. Pretty cute. And here, I'm going to remove this for now. Here are some little tiny hearts I can use for shakers. Here's some fabric and felt hearts. Here's some die cuts for Valentine's Day. And she's got some nice paper back here. My granddaughter fell in love with this unicorn here. Okay, she's got a little bitty rose. I like the die cuts that she used on here. And let's dig into this. She's got the same paper over here. This folds in, so I'm going to close this up for now and move it out of the way. So we got some tags here, all sorts of sizes. There's a little penguin. I love her die cut for the bag here. I may use that. And then she has one of the Ninja Turtles with a flag and a little doily in the back and some ladybugs and some green paper. Move that to the side. And then we have, I love this bow. She's got some nice packaging. There's some little bows with some flowers on it. Lovely paper. Here's some pinwheels. I'll call them pinwheels, with little butterflies and pearls on them, with some filigree die cut. And here, I probably can use this. It's like a paper clip style pinwheel with a bow and a little pearl. Again with the handle for the packaging. Okay, so now we have these cute little teddy bears that look like she die cutted them and put shoes on them. Another filigree with a flower and a heart. This one had, they both have headbands with little, let me take this one out. She packaged everything very well. Let's see so you can see this better. They both have a headband with a little bow. This one has a heart and this one has a little flower on it. So I'm going to put this back. She's got some heavy cardstock on here. And I can use this on my current, some of these on my current project that I'm working on. Then we have these flowers. There's a little bow here. These are cute. Then we have some die cuts. We have these. Okay. We have some dream catchers. Let me move this to the side so I can fit everything here. We have this one in 2 colors. We got some little teacups with a little spoon. There's another one somewhere. We have an angel, which I can use that for, I got an idea for that. Then we have these frames. Here's another one of those. We have these frames for dream catchers. Then we have some, let me move some of this up. Then we have these antique clocks, or pocket watch it looks like. Here's the teapot, another teacup. Here's a hot air balloon. There's some hearts, some gears, another angel, a couple of skeletons, another cute little frame. There's another one of those. Here's some more gears in a teapot. More gears. Oops. A couple more teapots. More hot air balloons. Some, whoops, here's another little tiny spoon. Some doilies. Another doily. Some tree boxes, which I'm probably going to use as a stencil. I love these. These are the corners. I think it's five of each, I think, but this is a different size. So we got that. Here's another, oh, I like this one. It's a gorgeous corner. Oh, the idea is going through my head, guys. Got these corners. Now I'm going to move all this to the side because we got more coming. Better yet, maybe I'll put it back in the packaging so it doesn't get all roughed up and damaged, because I want to use these on projects and I don't want to mess them up. I'm going to have to make me a little embellishment album or book to keep it all in. Okay. Oops, a little spoon fell. I'm going to put these back in here and close it up. Sorry for the crinkling, but that's the way it goes. We have more die cuts here. We got the oval frame. We got a circle frame here. Got this frame. There's a few of those. Then we have these. It looks like it goes with this. We can layer that on top. The idea is, oh, this is cute. Okay, we got those. Another circle die, or die cut. Now these frames are awesome. I think it goes, yep, see? We can layer that. So there's another frame. Here's some more frames. I think they're all come where I can layer. These are layering frames. Well, this one's not. Maybe I can layer this on top of here like that, and layer this one on like that. Maybe. Keep on the lookout. And we got these two frames. Okay. Now, I'm going to put this back in the packaging so it doesn't get messed up. And she even labeled the bag 3D layering cutouts. Okay. We got that. These are cute. My granddaughter fell in love with these. Got some macaroons in blue and in pink. Okay. And look at this cute little thing here. See that how cute? Her shading is perfect. And we got this one. Got this one. And we got a teapot with what looks like filigree cutout on it. So we got all those. For a recap, we got the little die cuts that are color. We have some flowers here. We got the cute little teddy bears. We got some flowers. We got some bows with flowers. We got some ladybugs. Some tags. Some more cutouts. Here's a template that she sent me for a folded heart. Some more cutouts. And we got her card and her tag. Oh, I forgot the best part. Oops. I almost forgot. Let me move this to the side. We got some bling. We got the bling. We got this one. Here. We got this, which is gorgeous. Okay. We got these two little flowers. Let me dump all this out so I can put everything back in as I go. So nothing gets lost. We got this cute little teddy. Let me try to zoom in a bit. Okay, there we go. Then we got this gorgeous looking key. We got this. I'm trying to get in the light. We got this, which is looks like a bow. Here's another one like that. Then we have a few of these. And we have a few of these here. Okay. Here's some more little flowers. Tons of tiny little flowers. Whoops. Okay. Now we got a couple of these. Oh, there's another one. We got some hearts. They're tiny. So many tiny little things in here. Let me see. Let me get all the tiny hearts out. Look at that, how cute. Got two white ones. Two white hearts. And that's going to be used for projects. Get these two here. As y'all can see, the little gingerbread man, a little kitty. Oh, well, not a kitty. a girl with bunny headband. It has a bunny on it. Okay. And we got what looks like a Mickey Mouse thingy. And we got that one. This is a candy. Then we got this flower, butterfly. A crown. And we have this. It looks like it was a charm on a necklace or a brooch. I don't know. We got this. Last but not least, we got a little sun. Hey, we can all use some sun now, can't we? Okay, so that's this. And I want to thank Gracie for doing the challenge, and thank her for the lovely gift and my lovely winnings. So, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red button down there that says subscribe, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notified when I upload a video or when I go live. Okay? God bless you all. Take care of one another. Be kind to one another. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye for now.